fish of the trip.
That is a shock.
You got the Blair Witch cam.
Peppered bacon.
I caught a bunch, but like it wasn't on camera.
Yeah.
First cast, first fish of the trip.
We're off. We're starting our trip. Cade is already there catching fish.
And another one.
He's had 3 fish and 4 casts.
4 casts, 3 fish. Really pretty colors.
Gage and I have been working all day, like real men.
Oh my God.
We're happy for you, Cade.
It's like every, I've made 1 cast where I didn't catch a fish. Boom.
It's kind of tough to beat sitting at the office when you really think about it.
Heck yeah.
So, Cade calls.
No, Cade, it's fine. Are you too busy fishing? I get it. Yeah, it's cool. We got you, bro.
Boom.
And asks if we can get some firewood. Because the fishing's still good.
Fishing's too good. You mind grabbing wood? Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
You want firewood? I got us 5 packs.
Yo.
Right before y'all rolled up, like I saw y'all pulling in as I was getting out. I'm soaked. I slipped on a rock. It's slick as there's a few rocks out there that are really slick. And my wader is filled with water. So I'm gonna get some dry clothes on.
Well,
Dude, that sucks, bro.
that would not have happened if you would have gone and gotten the firewood. If you think about it, like.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
It's a good start to the trip. How many fish did you catch, though?
10.
Yeah, I don't feel bad for you.
Made it worth it. We're gonna do things a little differently this weekend. We're gonna go no phones,
No alcohol.
no smoke, and definitely no lip candies. We're gonna try to do a polar plunge every evening because we hate ourselves, and Joe Rogan says it's good for us.
If Joe Rogan says it, it must be true.
So I should mention too, while the cameraman's rolling, I've never been fly fishing.
Gage, you're in full recline, dude.
I feel like I'm getting a little paper cut.
Dude, that is a shock.
You got the Blair Witch cam.
Oh, that's a sharp rock.
A doctor would identify me as a woman.
What kind of soup is this?
Italian sausage soup.
Nice. Tomorrow we're doing the real campfire throwdown. But this soup looks good, dude.
What would you need chopsticks for?
I don't know if we ever decided to make noodles, I guess.
Just eat it with a fork at that point.
There's a raccoon over there.
So, Gage and I didn't really sleep in the van.
I heard y'all giggling like a bunch of girls this morning. That's what woke me up.
Cade fought a raccoon last night for the cooler. And then went on to dream about it.
So there was a raccoon that tried to steal my little cooler last night, and I woke up to the sound of the cooler like falling on the ground. And then I was like, what the heck was that? So I got out of my tent, and I see this raccoon like dragging my cooler away down the trail that goes uphill. And I just kind of shined my light in its face, and it paused and looked at me. And then it just kind of scurried away. I went and got my cooler, brought it up to my car. And then I went back to sleep, and that raccoon continued to haunt me in my dreams. I had a dream it was trying to get in my tent, and it was like biting my hand through my tent as I'm choking it out.
Dude, that's awesome. Peppered bacon. I'm good at camping, I swear.
Hope you guys like your bacon stretched.
I'm not editing any of this out.
Ian, this spot's tough, dude. So ugly.
Whatever.
If I were a big bow or a big brown, this is where I'd want to hang out.
Dude, on the chubber.
Yeah?
On the chubby. First fish I've netted in my new net.
Nuts. Oh, there's one down there. How far do you let it go before you cast again? Like before you pull it back?
Like this. Oh!
Oh, you got me.
I was looking at Gage.
What do I think? I think I need to adjust my depth so I stop getting hung up on the freaking bottom. I'm tying on a Rainbow Warrior, and I haven't decided what I'm gonna drop beneath it yet. Something tiny. I got a red zebra midge right here. Might just use that. Oh, is he foul hooked? There it is. I foul hooked him. Poor guy.
Any ounce of athleticism I had is gone in these waders. I caught a bunch, but like it wasn't on camera.
Yeah.
You know where they're filming here now. This is stupid.
just want to go home. Okay. Nice, dude. Oh.
Let's go.
You got one on though. How'd that feel?
This is all water we haven't fished before. Cade fished it yesterday, obviously, with a different result. But we're going to head over to a new section. We're gonna get some snacks and head over there.
I'm hot.
So we made the trip to get out here, and it's all blown out, which, if we really would have thought about it, we could have came to that conclusion, because there was a flood warning like 2 days ago. Still a really beautiful spot, and that's our first time checking it out, so it was worth the drive and hike, but we're not seeing anything. I mean, the water's a little brown. I think this might just be a recon mission.
Next spot.
So, caught a couple this morning, had slow rest of the day, and then Gage was like, let's go back to the campsite, cast a little bit.
I wanted to go to this other bridge, but Gage was like, no, let's go back to the campsite. And
Yeah.
I'm glad he did.
And I was like, I want to go to the evening hole. And Gage was like, no, like, campsite will be good. And we were like, fine.
Okay.
Fine,
Okay.
dude. Came back here and just had like a really awesome like 20 minutes.
Yeah. That was a hit. Here it is.
Dude.
It's a big fish.
Oh my gosh. That's a good fish. Got a big one. Gosh, this guy is just putting up a fight. This is awesome.
Dude, you're able to float it right over that hole.
I do not want to break off right now. That's the biggest bow I've ever caught here. And now we got to do our polar plunge.
About to be cold.
As much as we do not want to do that. And
I really don't.
yeah, I really don't want to do that. Yeah, this is worse tonight.
It's way worse. This table's so clutch, Kate.
That's how we like them. Got some bell peppers, some zucchini, some taters that we may have cooked a little bit. It'll be good. What do you think?
That's pretty freaking good.
Gage?
What the man said.
I'm
You
sure.
heard him.
After a day on the river, this is like the
Tough to
best.
beat.
Mm-hmm.
The last time we ate, and Ian pointed this out, was at like 6:30 this morning. We had bacon and eggs.
Gage, we're gonna get you on the board today.
I know. I know.
Keep that rod tip high.
Oh, I foul hooked him. I wanted to go on my first one.
You're probably not gonna lose them though.
Yeah. It's real glass half full mentality, Cade. Woo! It's a big one. It's a big day.
Send him home.
See you, buddy. Let's go. That's awesome. It's because we did that polar plunge. I'm telling you.
Fish on.
You know why there's a fish on? Because we did that polar plunge.
Oh. I didn't lose my fly, did I? Guys, take your time on knots and save your flies. Save fish from having a woolly bugger stuck in their mouth. Sorry, little dude. Did not take my time on that double surgeon, so. Oh, yeah. Good way to start the day.
Feels like a big one.
Dude. Fish of the trip.
No way.
Yeah. Got him.
Let's go, dude.
Get that big boy back in the water. There you go, boys. Oh, that's a fun one. Threw right in the current.
No. Oh. Oh.
Tighten, 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 tighten.
Oh. Oh, I gotta get my net. Let's go. That one felt earned.
Gage found his depth. And I think while he found his depth, he found himself.
It's more like, this is gonna sound weird, but it feels like more intimate. Like the battle,
Yeah.
the strain, the...
It's a more level playing field with the fish.
Yeah.
Some darker greens on it.
Woo!
Oh, he is fighting.
We're beat, but we had an awesome morning. Gage caught his first, second, and third trout on a fly rod, which was sick. But we're breaking down camp. I think we're gonna go to the fly shop and kind of re-up on some stuff. Got blessed with some perfect weather. I don't think we're really looking forward to booting our phones back on. It'll be nice to talk to our wives, but I think we had a good experience with everything. I think the cold plunges were a good challenge, good mental battle. Another awesome weekend at Beavers Bend. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more Oklahoma fishing content.